The International Convention Relating to Intervention on the High Seas in Cases of Oil Pollution Casualties, 1969 is an important treaty that provides a framework for responding to oil spills on the high seas. Here we will provide an overview of the key points of the convention. Introduction. The convention was adopted in 1969 in response to the growing threat of oil spills on the high seas. It provides a framework for international cooperation in responding to oil pollution casualties. Intervention on the high seas refers to actions taken by a state or international organization to prevent, mitigate, or eliminate a pollution incident on the high seas. The convention aims to ensure that prompt and effective action is taken to deal with oil pollution casualties on the high seas. Adoption and objective. The convention was adopted in 1969 and entered into force in 1975. Its objective is to provide a framework to ensure that international cooperation and assistance is available to deal with oil pollution casualties on the high seas. The convention covers oil pollution casualties caused by accidental or intentional acts of pollution by ships on the high seas. The convention also covers the threat of oil pollution casualties. The convention places the primary responsibility for dealing with oil pollution casualties on the flag state of the ship causing the pollution. However, other states have a duty to cooperate and assist in responding to the pollution incident. Scope of action. The convention provides a framework for measures such as surveillance, investigation, and monitoring. It also provides for the use of ships and equipment to prevent, mitigate, or eliminate pollution incidents. The convention provides exemptions for situations where intervention would not be effective or would cause more harm than good. For example, intervention may not be possible in cases of extreme weather conditions. In order for intervention to take place, certain conditions must be met. These include the consent of the flag state, the availability of suitable equipment and personnel, and the authorization of the coastal state. The convention has been extended to cover other pollutants, such as hazardous and noxious substances. Regional agreements, such as the Convention on the Protection of the Marine Environment of the Baltic Sea area, have also been developed to address specific regional concerns. Regional agreements can supplement the provisions of the convention and provide more detailed regulations for dealing with pollution incidents in specific regions. Historical context. The convention was adopted in response to the growing threat of oil spills on the high seas. Major oil spills, such as the Torrey Canyon spill in 1967, highlighted the need for international cooperation to deal with pollution incidents. The convention remains an important treaty for dealing with oil pollution casualties on the high seas. It has been ratified by over 100 countries and continues to provide a framework for international cooperation and assistance. Conclusion. The International Convention Relating to Intervention on the High Seas in Cases of Oil Pollution Casualties, 1969 provides a vital framework for dealing with oil spills on the high seas. Its provisions for international cooperation and assistance remain relevant today, as we continue to face the threat of pollution incidents. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.